New legislation is being introduced that would strengthen laws that make it illegal for members of Congress to do insider trading. Congresswoman Louise Slaughter tells Capitol Tonight's Ryan Whalen the new parts of the Stock Act are in direct response to actions of a colleague.
Congresswoman Louise Slaughter says she fought for 6 hard years to pass the Stop Trading on Congressional Knowledge, or Stock Act.
I did never put forth any legislation that I didn't think would be a benefit to people, and so far we've done pretty well with that.
So whether or not Congressman Chris Collins technically violated the law, she says he certainly wasn't in the spirit of it.
The ethics part of it bothers me. He was in a position of trust, sent down by his district to do what he could to benefit his district, state of New York, and the United States of America.
In a 2014 financial disclosure form, Collins indicated he had not purchased shares as part of an initial public offering, despite having participated in an IPO for Australian pharmaceutical company Innate Immunotherapeutics. The congressman says he did not break any rules because it was a foreign stock.
An IPO is an IPO, and certainly we never had the idea we had to distinguish between IPOs, domestic and foreign.
Slaughter and Senator Al Franken are introducing legislation that would, among other things, close that perceived loophole.
She should mind her own business, and she doesn't know what she's talking about.
Collins says congressional ethics rules are very clear, and he's abided by all of them during his time in office.
Louise Slaughter, it's just totally political, much like Senator Schumer, he's the other one, thinking that they can misportray an issue that's totally ethical.
He maintains he didn't do anything wrong in purchasing or recommending the stock to any of his colleagues, including current Health Secretary Tom Price. Collins rejects Slaughter's assertion he authored legislation with the company in mind.
What I did was fought for speedier drug development for any and all diseases.
But the Rochester area Congresswoman believes it's clear what happened. She has no qualms with calling out her neighboring representative.
That did not weigh heavily, and that I will forgive this because this is from Buffalo.
Slaughter says she's not sure yet what kind of support the legislation will have. Ryan Whalen, Spectrum News.